EA is an AI platform that allows you to bring a digital workforce to your organization. Unlike other AI platforms that allow you to have a one-on-one relationship with the AI to help you with your work, EA offers a digital workforce for your organization with organizational contextual knowledge to understand who tasks should be assigned to when the AI doesn't have enough information to complete the task. For example, here you can see EA active in our Teams chat. EA can be installed on Teams, Slack, email, WhatsApp, and many other different places where you're already working. Instead of asking a human a question, you can ask the agent, and the agent can respond based off of the information that the subject matter expert has already given it through previously approved responses, through documentation that it's been given access to. This means that questions can be answered 24/7 without interrupting another human's workflow and distracting them from other tasks that need their attention. This is just one example of how we use EA throughout an organization. Another example is on complex workflows and diligence requests, where multiple people need to collaborate on the same example. For example, this happens a lot within sustainability, within the larger frameworks like B Corp, CDP, and EcoVadis, and within RFPs and tenders. Let's take a quick look at a quick example. So here we can see an Excel spreadsheet that we've been sent with a number of questions here across 3 columns. So we've got a question, sub-question, and the examples of how to answer it. And we're asking for a yes/no answer, a commentary answer, and the page number and the evidence where we can find that document. So let's just upload that into EA and take a look at how that process works in EA. So if we upload that new form, and here I'm going to just allow it to work on the whole knowledge base, and we'll take a look at the knowledge base in just a second. Here it's going to ask me a few questions. The reason it asks me questions is so that it can write the prompt for me. On many different models, you find that the quality of response varies based on who writes the prompt. Here we've de-risked that at an enterprise level. The AI, after answering a few questions, can understand what you want from the document, write the plan, and upload it for you. That's generating the responses, so it's taking out all of those questions and finding documents in our document library to match. You can see here that we've uploaded some documents to the document library, but for most customers, this is a connection to your Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint folder with potential other integrations from other plugins in your tech stack. And we can connect to most of your tech stack here through MCP connections, so HubSpot, Salesforce, Atlassian, and many different other types of platform. Once the AI has taken all of the questions out and found evidence from the information that you've allowed it access to, it will generate responses to all of those answers. We'll then be able to use the AI to review and approve those answers. You can see here we can assign these answers to up to 10 different people on the team to review the answer and 10 different people to approve the answer. On the left here, we've got the example of the original document that we uploaded, so we can see all of the context as we're reviewing the answer that the AI has generated. Throughout this process, we can use the AI to rework the answer. We can review the references that we've got here. We've got a full timeline of all changes that happen on the answer, and we can also see track changes throughout the answer as well, and restore previous answers if we would like. We can also hold discussion with either our co-workers or also the AI itself. So if we want to find out how a competitor answers this question, we can do all of that within the interface here. This doesn't impact the answer here. If we want to edit that, we can edit it directly or use the AI to help us edit it. Once finished, we can export that final document back into the format that we were sent, so there's no copy and paste throughout any of the process. And as I mentioned, this works in many different interfaces. So if, for example, this came to you from email, you can just send that email straight to your own email agent and get that finished document straight back in your inbox. On top of all the workflow-based capabilities around form filling, you've also got Scratchpad, which is your AI chat filled with skills to help make tasks easier for you. For example, there are skills around creating action plans of gap analyses. You can ask it to create visualizations and all sorts of other things. The possibilities with EA really are quite endless. So if you've got something that you're wondering if EA can help you with, please just let us know.